You're thinking of starting a YouTube channel, or maybe you already did. But here's the part no one warns you about. Most creators don't quit because they're bad at editing, or because their niche was wrong, or because the algorithm didn't pick them. They quit because they skipped one question. And it's the same question that decides whether you'll still be posting 6 months from now or quietly disappear. I've seen it happen over and over. Someone gets excited, they binge creators, they buy a mic, they design a banner, they post their first video, and then silence. Views are low, motivation dips, they start second-guessing everything. Should I change my niche? Should I post on Instagram too? Should I start over? But the real problem isn't strategy. It's that they never asked, what am I actually building here? Because if you don't know that, you'll chase every trend, compare yourself to every creator, and lose yourself in the noise. Here's the truth. You can't build momentum without meaning. You can't stay consistent without clarity. And you can't grow if you don't know what growth means to you. So before you record your next video, forget the gear, forget the niche, forget the algorithm. Ask yourself one thing. What's my real reason for doing this? Not the one that sounds good, not the one you think people want to hear, the one that actually matters to you. Because when you know that, your content gets sharper, your strategy gets simpler, and your motivation becomes unstoppable. So here's your challenge. Take 5 minutes, no distractions, just you and that question. And if you want to share your answer, drop it in the comments. I read every single one. If this video felt like a real talk, the kind that actually hits, give it a like. And if you want more honest insights and practical tips like this, subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Now, if you're serious about starting YouTube in 2025, I've made a video that's not just helpful, it's foundational. Watch it next, because the time you invest in that video won't just inform you, it'll fuel your entire YouTube journey.